So is it just a bit too hot in Dublin at the moment? Will other regions be having more work done as a result, and you come back to Dublin in, say, a year when Irish Water hopes that the protests will die down?
Well, we've divided the country up into different regions, so each of the regions work independently, if you like. So works are continuing apace in all of the regions. As I said, in certain work sites, and they're very specific work sites where you would suspend works temporarily, might go back and install meters while we're still working in the area. So that has been ongoing for quite some time. To suggest that that's a wide-scale, demobilisation of the programme is simply not true. We would expect to be installing 9,500 metres last week was a very, very good week actually. Our monthly target, that's throughout the country. Okay. So our monthly target for installation is 27,000 a month. So that puts the last week's figure in context that it was a very, very good week. Look, we just have to keep managing the contract, and we certainly don't want to put anybody's health and safety at risk. If there is an issue in terms of types of behaviour on the street, we will suspend certain works for health and safety.
Okay, on the health and safety.